How to fix Apple Watch alarm not syncing with iPhone. The first thing that you need to do is download the Watch app, because on my phone at least it didn't come as default. You need to go to the App Store, type in Watch, and make sure you find one that's made by Apple, and then simply just install it. Once you're done with that, pair your watch, and then go to Clock on the Watch app and turn on Mirror iPhone alerts. This is the number one reason alarms don't sync. If it still doesn't work, make sure you restart both of your devices, so that means your Apple Watch and your iPhone. Now, if none of these things work, make sure that you downloaded the latest software update for your iPhone. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.